Zayna Shaw, 13-year-old student of Glenmuir High, was reported missing to the Clarendon police. The matter later escalated to a case of kidnapping, and the National Strategic Anti-Gang Division of CTOC commenced an investigation. Following a series of inquiries, on Tuesday, April 15th, the child was found hidden under a bed within a premises in Ewarton, St. Catherine. This property was occupied by her aunt, who is believed to be the mastermind, and another female and 2 minor children. Both females and a male believed to be a pastor are now being questioned. Investigators are looking into the possibility that this case is linked to a religious cult operating at the location. We are aware that some heartless individuals tried to take advantage of the child's mother for money after this story became public. We are investigating these actions and are determined to bring those responsible to justice. I want to urge everyone to remember that during difficult times like these, it is crucial to be compassionate and avoid any actions that could further harm those already suffering.